Hi, hello friends, welcome to SreeDeep Creations. Today I am going to show you a tasty and healthy recipe, Lima beans dosa. Before going to the video, if you are watching our channel's video for first time, then please subscribe to SreeDeep Creations and hit the bell icon. Ingredients required: mustard seeds 2 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1.5 teaspoon, ginger 1 tablespoon, 2 green chilies finely chopped, mint leaves 40 to 50 leaves, 1 big sized onion mediumly chopped, oil to tempering, lima beans half cup, 1 grated carrot and half capsicum finely chopped, dosa batter 1 cup. Boil these lima beans in pressure cooker only 60%, otherwise soak these lima beans before 4 hours of cooking and peel off their skin. Remove the skins of these lima beans as shown here. Now let's check out the recipe. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Now add mediumly chopped onions. Salt it well until it becomes light brown color. Now add required salt and salt it well. Now add finely chopped ginger and green chilies. This ginger is very helpful to our digestion process. Now add finely chopped capsicum. You can also add cabbage if you like. Now add grated carrot into this and saute it well until it cooks well. Now add fresh chopped mint. There are varieties of health benefits in lima beans. They are a rich source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. It helps to digestion, it is good for hair growth and it is an energy booster. So it is very healthy to our body. Now add these lima beans and cook it well. Now these masalas are ready. Let's start to make dosa. Take a dosa pan and apply oil. Then add dosa batter into this. Don't add this dosa batter very thinly. It should be slightly thick. Cook it well on one side for 5 to 6 minutes. It should be crispy like this. We can also add grated coconut to that masala. It gives a very nice taste to this dosa. Now our dosa is ready to serve. I hope you all liked this recipe. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share, comment and please subscribe to SreeDeep Creations. Thank you for watching and have a happy cooking day.